Get some epic footage out here. The island, the jet skiers, the skyline. It's gonna be lit. All right, day 6 Miami. We're out of the Cape. We've just been working all morning. We're out in Wynwood right now. We're walking right beside the Wynwood walls. We're gonna go get some lunch here at the taco stand. Nice little place on 25th. Oh, there's our guy who was doing the handstands the other day on his little scooter. There he is. It's about 75 degrees, sunny. I think snowing yesterday, Chris?
Yeah.
In Philadelphia, and in the 30s. So we're spoiled down here with this weather. Got the food, check it out. Got the bean and cheese, negro mozzarella. All right, so back here we got the mushroom taco, the nopal. These are the Al Pastors, they look good. Walking chips, and Chris, you got the steak and the pollo asada.
Yeah.
That might be some of the best walk I've ever had.
Not even kidding. That's delicious.
This is
Cactus.
it's actually pretty good.
We came, we conquered.
And we did work. Pretty much ate everything.
Oh, yeah. This place is cool.
Alright, so this was the taco stand. I give that place a solid, out of 5, I give it like a 4.8 at least.
I was just going to say the same thing.
4.8?
Yeah.
Chris says 4.8 as well. That place was awesome. La Tiendita. We were originally going to go to La Tiendita, but the Google reviews at the taco stand were just a little bit better. It's probably a pretty good spot too. Heading back from lunch. Confirmed another snow squall in Philadelphia today while we're down here enjoying this beautiful 75-degree weather. All right, so it's about, what is it, 6:51. Oh, by the way, this house here in the corner, 1.2 mil. And then I think most of these other houses here, like these, are all like 500,000, which to me seems like incredibly high, but I mean, there's nothing like too special about these houses, but they're just in a really good location. It's not even a super great neighborhood. Anyways, we're going to do a little drone footage here of the sunset. See if we can get anything tonight at Lunch Pier again. We're coming out to Paraiso Park, not Lunch Pier today. We're gonna try a different spot. We're doing it right here on the corner. There she goes. She is. Round 2. Get some epic footage out here. The island, the jet skiers, the skyline. It's gonna be lit. And there you go. All right, so we're going to Wakefield Brewery now. We finished with the drone footage. Gonna go hit up a brewery, get a couple flights. We'll see. I don't know what we're gonna see. We're gonna get some beer though. We're back in Wakefield Brewery here. This place is awesome. We got the Star Wars mural. They got Han Solo over here in the carbonite. They got stuff everywhere. And we got the beers. I know you can. We got 10 beers. Wakefield Brewery here on 24th, in between Miami and 2nd. I'd say you gotta go there if you like beer. And if you like comics, Star Wars, Marvel, DC, any of that kind of stuff. Space is awesome. I give that place like a 4.9. Like the place is awesome. I'm gonna go there every time I'm in town. Like it's great. So many different beers. The AB Otagafa, 12% stout. Gave me goosebumps with every sip. So real quick, House for Teacher was delicious. That was a really good beer. And El Jefe, the Hefeweizen, was really good. It had coconut in it, but it almost tastes like cinnamony, sweet, like not creamy, it's not the right word, but like coconut. It was good. They have a rotating draft, so by the time you see this video, it's probably not going to be on draft anymore, but just go there and whatever you see will be good. What do you got?
2 fingers, 1 is medical, 2 is magical.
I don't know what that means. We're back in the house. So Marquesa, sushi bar, Yip over there, Shaggy. The smells in here are so good.
This place is fucking awesome.
This is it. All right, we got the crispy rice and the fried rice. Now we're gonna get a ramen and a dim sum as well and share all of it, and probably a beer as well. You got Ickman Lager again. There it is. Cheers. Oh yeah. All the good stuff. All right, let's dig in, man. This place is amazing. Sampler, fried rice, chicken, Kira Lager. Chris finished.
I'll be rolling myself out now.
We're coming back. 3rd time's the charm. La Sandwicherie. Getting the Napoli, getting the Sweet Tooth, and 2 Rainforests. We got the double Rainforest. We got the Nutella, strawberry, banana on a croissant, Sweet Tooth, and we got the Napoli sandwich. Both of those, everything's for the morning. So we got to catch a 9 a.m. flight. So we can get the food now, and then we're good tomorrow. What? W2, what were they doing? Like they're just like posing in front of a dark colored police car. I don't understand it. But then again, I can't judge because my vlog sucks so far. So I mean, all I can do is laugh and say, hey, you do your own. And I'll do my own here.